People, what's up? This is Kapil Shrigiri, final year BMS student studying at Bapuji Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Shivamoga. So today it will be a great productive day for me. So I got ready for the college. It's almost 8:38 right now. The college starts at 9:30. So before that I need to have my breakfast. So I'm just waiting for my friend with the apron and my heavy bag right here. So see you there. I'm actually going to college after leave of 3 days because I went to my home and then I missed some of the classes. So also the first lecture is very strict because he was really pissed off yesterday because most of us did not attend, and I'm in the hotel to have my breakfast right now. I'm with my friend. We both have ordered idli vade. So I actually wanted to eat bisibale bath, but then they don't have bisibale bath today. So let's see. Arrived in the classroom and it's almost 9:21. The class is supposed to start at 9:30. So as there is a online seminar for us from Jignasa, so most of the people are not attending the classes in regular classes. So very less strength will come. So that's why the classroom is completely empty for now, except for my friend there, Raki. He's the one with whom I came to college today, so should wait for my friends to come. This is a classroom. Each and every classroom has its own name. For example, the fourth years have Shishrutalaya, and as we enter on the left side we have a wall where some thoughts are put up. This was during a function that our seniors conducted. So the dais is here. And this long wire of extension is for the projector and stuff, and then there is a projector along with 3 cameras as per RGHS. So there are so many benches because we were supposed to conduct some kinds of function only in this room. This is the longest and biggest room that we have in the block. So each and any function that is related to science or any international days will be conducted in this room. So
people, finally we are in college now. My friend yes, my friend attending college after too many days. So he
3 days, sir.
No, not 3 days actually. After too many days. So he is excited too much to attend his favorite sir class, Swami sir's class.
Sir दरकवेवा ले रहे हैं, नहीं आएंगे. Taught us about protein, energy, malnutrition. We have someone in our class. Avinash, why do you have protein, energy, malnutrition? हाँ वो तो है. और we also have different example here. Shaika, why do you have kwashiorkor? Currently it is 5:43 p.m. So I have to attend a class at 6 o'clock. Before that I need to write my daily journal. So if you follow me on my YouTube journey, so I actually write the journal every day. So I have to write it from 17, that is from Friday. I have not written. I know I'm falling back, and as the year is coming to an end, there are very few pages left. So I also bought a new diary so that I should not fall back just like this year. I have an online class recommended to me, so I'm waiting for the lecturer to start the class, which is on TechMint app. One sec. So this is the app that I'm waiting for the classes to start. With my notebook right here and also my coffee which I brought just now. So let's wait and see when the class starts. So the class has started. I mean, it was supposed to be in the other app, but then sir shifted it to Zoom class itself.
English.
So the class is about to start now, but just sir is asking us about the introduction and stuff.
English का तो अक्षर सब मिल जाता है मगर थोड़ा लगा रहता है.
So today's concept is Grahani. Till now sir was only talking about the introduction part where he said about Sarvarogopi Mandagnya, which means Mandagni is the main cause for each and every disease that a person can go through. So the first and foremost thing that's supposed to be done in a patient is correction of Agni. If the person has Mandagni, then the Agni is supposed to be brought to the normal state. And if the person has Tivra Agni, that is, if the person has a lot of Agni in the body, even then the Agni has to be brought to the normal position. So that's what sir was doing till now. It's currently 7:27. The class ended like 5 minutes ago, but then tomorrow I got a message in the group, in a class group, saying that we are supposed to submit a Panchakarma case tomorrow. So going to my friends to write the case with him. It's 8:32 p.m. right now. I actually got bored in my room after writing some assignments, and I also met my friend on my way. So I thought I should go for a walk before going for dinner. It's Monday, that is 20th of December. I don't really end my vlogs properly in a proper manner, the way it is supposed to end. So guys, I think this will wait. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, so that you can show your support by that way. And if you haven't shared the videos with your friends and family, please do that. And also I'll be linking my Instagram below in the description. You can follow me there for more updates on my videos and stuff. So thank you so much. That's it for this week. So let's meet in a different vlog. Bye.